All right, now we want to stay with health matters and to talk about that malaria vaccine, which is in the trial stages now. And Sharon Momanyi talks to us about these exciting results of the malaria vaccine trials that were carried out in Kilifi and Siaya counties. Now the World Health Organization is recommending an expansion of those trials to the rest of the world. Here's KTN's Sharon Momanyi with more.
As he shuts the door behind him, 8-year-old Derek Donnell Ouma looks to lock away a troubling childhood. Just weeks after he was born, Derek suffered from malaria, a disease that would keep attacking him every often.
At first, akiwa na malaria alikuwa na miezi 2. Akatibiwa akapona. Akiwa na miezi 3 akashikwa na malaria tena. Sasa ikaendelea tu hivyo, hospitali kwenda kurudi.
And when Derek's mother got word that the Kenya Medical Research Institute was conducting trials on a malaria vaccine on children in Siaya, where they come from, she would quickly get on board.
Nilipeleka hospitali, nikapata huyo mama, akaniambia kuna watu wa CDC wamekuja na wanataka kupeana chanjo ya malaria.
Namaliza ugonjwa.
Niambie jina lako yote. Natasha Lavender Akinyi was also put on the program when she was 6 weeks old.
Kuna mtoto wangu wa kwanza alinisumbua na hiyo malaria, alikuwa na convulse. Kila saa niko hosi, mwezi haipiti.
Derek and Natasha are among the 1,620 children in Siaya County that were involved in the phase 3 trial of the malaria candidate vaccine, known as RTSS, or by its trade name Mosquirix. The trials began in May of 2009 and ended early 2014, involving a total of 15,459 infants and children across 11 sites in 7 African countries. Here in Boro area of Siaya County, mothers were initially hesitant to enroll their children into the exercise.
Nilikuwa naogopa kidogo kwa sababu umejua watu huongea juu ya hizi machanjo zenye watoto wanapewa. Lakini nilikuwa na hofu kidogo, lakini nilipoenda hospitali nikasomewa ile karatasi, nikaelewa kwa undani.
They are not sure, the fear of the unknown. If you read the consent and as the consent is stipulated, you see the risks and the benefits. So and then there was the amount of blood draw. It used to bring a problem.
It had already gone through phase 1 and where it's tested in animals and non-human primates, and then in phase 2 in adults in the countries where it was developed, and then phase 3 is now where it targeted the people who will benefit most from a vaccine against malaria.
The lifting of this burden, that is the fight against malaria in this area, appears to have largely been left to the women. Some of the men forbade their wives from enrolling their children. Kenya has had 3 trial sites for this candidate vaccine, one here in Siaya, another in Kombewa, Kisumu, and one in Kilifi County, areas that record high malaria prevalence. Siaya County has the highest malaria burden in the country, currently standing at 42%, with majority of those affected being children under the age of 5. The children involved in the exercise were kept under constant supervision.
They received 3 doses of the vaccine at month 1, 2, and 3. And then we had another category that received a comparator vaccine, which was to compare if the malaria vaccine works.
Trial results showed that 3 doses of the vaccine reduced malaria by approximately half in children between 5 to 17 months of age at first vaccination. And after 18 months of follow-up, vaccinated children experienced 46% fewer cases of clinical malaria. This positive result saw the European Medicines Agency adopt a positive scientific position on the vaccine in July 2015. In January this year, the World Health Organization recommended a large-scale pilot implementation of the drug before it is officially rolled out.
The efficacy that we showed and the safety and how well it worked was in a research setting. The WHO has recommended that it's rolled on a pilot basis to see how it will work. And they have recommended that it seems to work better in the 5 to 17 months old children. So those are the only children who will be evaluated in this pilot.
The World Health Organization recommends further evaluation of the vaccine before it is rolled out for wider country-level use. If and when the uncertainties are resolved, the 15,000 children used in the trial phase will go down in history as having possibly saved the lives of millions of children across sub-Saharan Africa that die every year due to malaria. Sharon Momanyi, KTN News, Siaya County.